Hello students, let us learn today division of the chapter 3. Division is what? Actually it is the opposite of multiplication. If you remember, multiplication is what? It's a repeated addition. Okay, it's a repeated addition. Now division is what? It means sharing equally. It means sharing equally or distributing equally. Whatever you have, if you are distributing it equally or sharing it equally, it is actually division. You are dividing. Okay, so the number to be divided is called dividend. So any number that you want to divide is actually known as dividend. Okay, and the number which divides is called the divisor. The number which is ready to divide is actually known as dividend. Okay, and the result obtained is called the quotient. The answer is called the quotient, and the number in the end is called the remainder. The number left in the end is called the remainder. So you can see here an example. So when you try to divide 320 by 15, so here 320 is actually dividend and 15 is actually divisor, and the result that we will obtain after dividing is known as quotient, and the last what we'll obtain is known as remainder. So there are some important facts that we need to know about division. So let us see. Okay, so the fact is that dividing a number by itself is equal to 1. That means if you divide 2 by 2, the answer is 1. Or you divide any number by itself, it will give you always 1. You can see here 4394 divided by 4394 gives you 1. Now dividing 0 by any number is equal to 0. Okay, if you try to divide 0 by any number, the answer is 0. Do you remember when we multiplied any number by 0, the result is 0. Here if you try to divide 0 by any number, then answer is 0. But remember, if you try to divide any number by 0, it is invalid. It is not yet discovered. Somebody need to discover it. Okay, so let us see. There is a algorithm. So we used to check division. So this is used for checking the division. So whenever you want to check whether your division is correct or not, then what you have to do, you have to multiply divisor by quotient, and their multiplication or their product should be added to the remainder. If the result is equal to the dividend, then your answer, then your division is correct. You can see here, when you multiply 15 into 21, you see this 15 and here is the 21. This is divisor and this is quotient multiplying, and 5 is the remainder. If you do this process, you are going to get first 315, then plus 5. The answer is 320, and you remember 320 is the dividend. So this is the way how to check whether your division is correct or not. We'll discuss more about division in the next video.